Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity and local repository state. This prevents wasted work later. First, check your GitHub email, two-factor authentication, and org permissions so you can push. Then, run git status and git remote v to see unstaged changes and where pushes go. Finally, verify authentication. Test SSH with SSHT git at GitHub. Com or check a personal access token with GHAuth status. Once done, you'll have a reliable baseline to proceed with fixes. You next reconcile divergent histories so pushes succeed. Start by fetching origin and inspecting branches with git branch and a compact git log one-line graph to see divergences. Then choose rebase for linear history. Git fetch and in git rebase origin/main or merge if preferred. Make that decision consciously. When conflicts appear, resolve them in your editor. Use git add for each file, and continue with git rebase, continue, or finish the merge with git commit. Make sure to run tests before pushing. You finalize by safely pushing and confirming CI. Push changes with git push origin head branch. Use git push force with lease only when you rewrote history and know the impact. Once pushed, open GitHub to confirm the branch and watch actions for CI results. Branch protection can block merges, so review rules. If a pipeline fails or permissions block you, create a revert PR or use git reset locally and coordinate with admins. One tip, if push rejected, compare refs with git fetch and in git log origin/branch. Head.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.